Hello guys, we have here 3PC600. This one is for synchronizing, and yesterday we are already prepared for the cabling, and for now we are going to do the configurations and the synchronizing and adjustment calibrations. You know the synchronizing is a lot of preparations we need to do. So let's start. By the way, in here I'm just preparing all the configurations for our Depsy module, so it will be ready for our synchronizing. So this one is 3 pieces, and you need to do all of the configurations for the 3 pieces module. So this synchronizing is supposedly 6 pieces, so this is first batch that we are going to do for this moment. So I'll just finish the configurations, and then I will have all the calibrations and adjustments for our engine and our AVR, so we have the good control for our speed and the voltage. So as you look around, I'm just preparing for this. So for those who have some comments or questions, just comment down below to our channel, so we can have the good conversations according to these projects. So once I'm done, so we're going to start this generator, and we're going to check the speed and the voltage, of course also the breaker, if it is working and if it is controlled properly for our module. So because if you're doing the synchronizing, it should be full control for our Dipsy 8016, those speed and the voltage and our breaker, in order to have a good synchronizing, and it will work perfectly as what you wanted, and it will give you a smooth transfer and synchronizing. So if you look in here, I am just connecting this wire properly to ensure that there is no loose connections, and to make sure that the connections is be ready for our starting. So all of this one is, you need to have the link for those the wiring connections of our standard. So this is the what we call the external command for our speed. So I'm just making a link in order to have the full control, and it will work properly. So once we start the generator, and we have the full control and full adjustment for automatic functions, and even though if you wanted adjust manually through the controller, you can adjust it. So for now, I am going to start first of this generator and check if we have the problem, or if we have such alarms for our generator. So let's take a look with this, and now I put back the fuel relay, so it will fire up our engine. the AVR voltage calibrations, and in order to have the good percentage for our voltage control, so we need to catch the 75% full control for our AVR. So we have the good command for our module. So if in case that there is some instability or low voltage or high voltage, it will be managed to control at that maximum percentage for our AVR. So you don't have to worry if you can get this percentage, so you have the full control of its voltage. So as you look around here, I'm adjusting those voltage and sensitivity of our AVR. So while doing the synchronizing, so it will have the full and perfect control of it. So I'm done. So I'm going to check. Next is the breaker. So in here I'm noticed that there is no control for our speed, so I'm going to do the troubleshooting and visualizing those connections why we don't have the control for our speed. So in here I am remove the wiring if any lost connections, and if it is in the correct connections at all, and I'm going to check over to our terminal block and to our module connections, so we can see clearly that we are in the correct connections. But unfortunately there is some wrong connections. That's why I'm going to remove and reinstall back those wire that we need to have the control for our speed. So as you look around here, I am now tightening back those wires that I'm changed the connections. So let me check if we are correct. So I'm going to start again. So in here, in the second generators, we need to do the proper calibrations as well, and the same connections that we need to change because we know already the connections is wrong. So we need to change those wiring, and the same calibration, same configurations, and same adjustment for our AVR and speed, so we can have the same level of control for our AVR and the speed for this second set of generators. So as you take a look in here, I am double checking this wiring, and I am now going to start so we can check and adjust those as I said, the speed and the voltage. So unfortunately that there is some problem about this. I think there is no what we call the fuel for our primary and secondary. So I need to pump it manually in order to have I mean is in order to start this engine. So as you take a look, I am now firing up this engine, and there is a problem. It is not starting. I'm just only it's only cranking, so I need to manually pump this primary pump here. So as you see, I am here in our fuel line and fuel filter to check if it is empty. So I need to manually pump, so in order to have the fuel in our gallery. Yeah, yes. Yeah, from here is red. Here also is red, right? But if you look and transfer this one from yellow, there is no connections because the connections from here is wrong. So as you can see clearly, it is all tough. So from here connection is correct. So that's why we have the P sequence. So we just change this one because this one in the upper portion is correct. So in the down is reverse. So we need to change this one in order to fix the problem. So to open these things. Huh? Picture mo para i-send mo na lang sa akin. So return the connections that we removed, and here we're going to ano mo, nakita yung taas na kababa. Sige. Ano mo na lang yung i-send mo na lang din yung ITP tsaka serial number para isahan na lang. So now I will interchange the connection. So we found it the problem. Alam mo naman sila pag may highlights. Ayan. So we will try again if it is the same problem. So now it is in the correct position for color coding. So put it back all the wiring from here and we change the wiring. So let's start again and just connect back. Then I will start on. So try to start again if we resolve the problem. So now let's go to our generator number 3 for our configurations, calibrations, and since same connections this one, so we know all the changes that we're going to do. So same as this one, we're going to change because we know already for the first time. And now we're going to change the wiring, and after that we're going to start this generator and check those parameters, those voltage and speed, and we need to check if it is control or not controlling from our DIPC. So if it is working properly, I mean. So I'll start this generator. But if you look around here, unfortunately our ECU communications is not working, so I'm going to check and double check this wiring and why it is not give good communication. So we need to check the wire from the deep C to the ECU controller.
Bro, wait bro, there is no communication, bro. Let's remove the connections from ECU so we can measure the resistance, bro. They're not inserted properly, I think. Only that one is the problem. Yeah, this is the correct one. They are not inserted properly. Check again. If there is some communication. Meron na?
Press
No. In from that side. From the ECU. Still no communication. Still on the relay. No communication from the ECU, bro. We need to open that one. We need to get the connection. Sorry, we need to remove this. Yeah. Let's check these connections over here. It's correct. It's connected. It is in the correct position. Yeah, just remove that one. So we can yeah. CU connection, remove that one, the 75, 76. Tinanggal mo na? Sa pula? Sa blue? Meron. Have connection, right?
This one blue.
Can you put it in blue?
Yeah, blue.
Blue, I will put it in red if how much ohms?
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. 118. Because 120 ohms na. So you have dropped down. Just remove and put it back. Give me. It's correct, bro. But why there is no communication?
Pin insert properly.
Maybe. But with this the road.
Pag umalis ka na sa customer, hindi naman gumana.
I'll check. what is supposed to be, it was normally open. One. Ha? Tama naman. 313, di ba?
Taas.
Okay lang, kahit sa taas o baba, pareho lang yun. Kasi switching lang, di ba?
312.
Okay lang.
313.
313.
Doon sa kabila, 313, 313.
Okay lang, switching lang yun.
Baka ibang number ba? Ibang kinuha.
We will measure this one if there is some voltage. So you can see. What do you think is the problem, bro? What do you think is the problem? Uy. Huh? What?
Generator problem.
Generator problem. You have voltage. So if they switch this on from here, you have the voltage.
Baka yun doon sa ECU. Ay, sa ECM. Yung 313.
Baka. So can you press, bro? Yeah, you have voltage 25. So meaning there is some voltage. We will measure all the voltage from the ECU side. So now, since the ECU connection is correct, there is connection also there. So now we're going to check the voltage from the ECU supply.
Why John? That's why I'm not looking. Because he said John.
Can you connect this one in the negative? So,
Hey John.
so 313. No, there is no voltage, bro. 313. So this one negative, right? You are in the voltage, right? DC.
Yeah, voltage.
So you have 24 volts. Here this is 313, right? So this one is supposed to be positive. There is no voltage. We'll check another positive from
The
here.
relay there on?
So the problem only is did not insert properly. Yeah. Perfect. So you need to insert properly. So, but why? Can you press the relay there, bro? Just put it to negative. I want to make it sure only, bro. Yeah, can you? Now okay. It's okay, bro. Yeah, that is only the one. So it is not inserted properly. It's the problem, the issue. So remove this one, and we're going to connect back. Now we find the problem. So the installations of our connections is not good. So isuli muna yan, Tol. Tignan natin yung problema. So now I'm going to start again. Which one? Which one? Huh? 800? Loco lang?
Yeah. As last time we start the clock.
Okay.
Right? And then
Start again. Bro, we'll start again, huh?
High that way.
eh?
So now we have a communication ready, so we're going to start and calibrate this generator as well. So at this time, we are ready to do the load testing for each of the generator before synchronizing.
Let's start to the other generator. Now we're going to do the manual sync. Just little time, it's already hot.
Ayun yan, ano hindi?
Just little time only, it's hot already. That's why I'm scared. Okay.
Ayun yan?
So, ready?
Pause counting.
4, 3, 2, 1, auto. So let's start the load for auto sync.